SOPs, or standard operating procedures, are detailed step-by-step instructions explaining how to complete a specific step of a process consistently. They make sure people do things the same way every time for consistency and good quality. SOPs are used to make sure work is done correctly, safely, and efficiently every single time. Now, a well-written standard operating procedure includes 5 things: what the procedure is for, when or where it applies, the exact actions to follow in order, who performs each step, and rules to ensure quality and consistency. In other words, they have a purpose, scope, steps, responsibilities, and standards. Now hold on, that sounds very similar to a workflow. Well, yes and no. An SOP is like an instruction manual explaining how to do the work. It's very detailed and usually a written document. A workflow, on the other hand, focuses more on how the work flows. That's why they're usually represented as diagrams, and they're less detailed than SOPs. My name is Tobias Hens. I help solopreneurs and small business owners go from idea to profit fast, with business insights just like this one. For more information on SOPs and other components of business operations like systems or processes, watch these videos next.